Once, in a quiet village at the edge of the forest, there lived a young boy named Juma. His job was to watch over the goats every day. But Juma was bored.
In this video, I'll show you how to turn your powerful African stories into beautiful animated videos using free AI tools. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT and type in your African story. If you don't have, you can just ask ChatGPT to give you one story or story ideas, and you choose one of them, and you can see it give me The Boy Who Cried Lion. You can see my story is not that too long. You can create a longer story up to that minute. This mine is just 1 minute plus, almost 2, and that is just for demo. If you want to create longer African folktales videos, you can create them as long as you want. You can generate the video as long as you want. It's all according to you, because remember, longer videos on YouTube perform well in better longer videos, but make every part entertaining. Okay, now as you can see, here is my story, and I will turn this story into audio and also the visuals. So what I need to do, I need to copy this whole story. Just click on that and click on drop the blue arrows like that, and you copy the whole story. Remember to give this video a like, guys. Subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. Give this video a like, it means a lot to me. Go to an app called Clipchamp. At Clipchamp, here is where we are going to turn our text to speech. Okay, at the Clipchamp, click on text to speech. As you can see what I've done. After doing that, you need to click on text to speech. Remember, you will click on video, then text to speech there. After doing that, you need to type your text on the left side, this side. Choose the language you want. Remember to choose English. If you are from Kenya, choose English Kenya. If you are from Nigeria, choose English Nigeria. As you can see, at the English Kenya, they give me these two audios, one for the male and one for the female. I'll go with that for the female. If you want to go with that for the male, it's fine. Okay, you just copy the story and cut up what you copied that is not necessary. Remember to cut them up, because you don't need them in this video. Okay, you just need to copy the edges, the beginning and the ending, so that you can be left with what you want, the story itself. After that, you need to click on save, and that is where it will generate audio for you. You can see it have generated for me a 1 minute plus audio. After listening to the video, you can export the video or the audio on 720p or 480p according to what you want, and you can see it is downloading in percentage. After downloading, the video will be saved on your device. The next step is to head over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you the scene prompt so that you can generate the images, and after that to animate the images. You can see my first prompt is this for the first scene. I will copy it and head over to Create AI to create my first image. You can use any image generator of your choice, but for me, I choose Create AI, and it is a free tool also. Just remember to choose the aspect ratio 16:9 or 9:16 if you want a short form video. After that, you just wait for some seconds and your image will be created. You can see this image is good, it is stunning, I love it. If you don't love the image, you can regenerate the image a second time. You just click on the 3 arrows and download the image to your device. Repeat this process for all the scenes. The second prompt, our second scene, and head over back to Create AI and type in or paste in your prompt. Choose the aspect ratio and click on generate, and you can see the image looks stunning also, and it is good. As for this image, okay, they generated a black boy. Okay, I will repeat this in light African. I add African here. That's why I told you AI is not that correct, so you need to just shake up, and you can generate the images more time by adding your own text. Just click there and click on download. The image is now generated well. Head over to ChatGPT again, copy our third prompt, and go back to Create AI and type in the prompt. choose the aspect ratio and click on generate, and to take some second to generate your image. Okay guys, remember to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Okay, remember to, you can see our image is generated. Click on there and download the image. Let's go. The next step is to animate these images using PixVerse AI. You just log into your account, click on upload image. After clicking on upload image, you choose your image, the image you want to animate. After that, you need to type in the image prompt. Use the prompt you use to generate the image. It's the same prompt used to generate the animation. Okay, click on create. After that, you click on create and give it some seconds, and your image will be animated. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. As you can see now, our image is animated. Just click on the image, give it some seconds to load, and after that you just see how stunning and beautiful the animation is. You can see it's good. You just click on the image, then click on that download icon and upload it with watermark. I will later show you how to do away with that watermark in this video, so remember to stick. Click on image to animate our second image. Choose our second image and type in our second prompt to use to generate the image, so that we can animate the image using our second prompt. Just type in there, type in your animation prompt, click on it, and then click on create. Give it some seconds, and your video or your photo will be animated, or your image will be animated. You can see it's very fast. This is the one of the app that I like, that it generates for you very quick. It animates the images very quick. You can see the video is ready. Just click on the video. You can see it is stunning, beautiful, it is okay, everything is fine. Click on download icon, that icon there, download with watermark. I will later show you how to do away with that watermark. Repeat that for that photo. Choose on the image, type in the prompt there, just click on imagine something, click there, click on the arrow, paste in your prompt, and click on create, and give it some seconds, and it will be generated. As you can see, very fast, and boom, our video is generated. Repeat this for all the other scenes. Remember, I've shown you for 3 scenes only. Repeat for all the other scenes so that you can come up with it. I'm just showing how to do it. I will not do it for the whole scenes. Remember to download it, and let's head over to the next step. Okay, our next step is to combine the animated video, the photos, and the audio. Okay, and to do this, you're going to use InShot editor app. You can use any editor app of your choice. First of all, upload your audio. You can remember the audio that you generated using Clipchamp. That is the audio you're going first of all to generate, because remember, it's a video, is a black video, it doesn't have any visuals. After doing that, you can just listen to it and hear it is fine, it's good. After that, you need to click on pip or add an overlay. To add an overlay, you just click on pip and choose our first animated image or our first animated video, and click on enlarge it to fit that size. Remember, it is a YouTube video, so it is aspect of 16:9. You zoom in and out until you don't see that watermark. You can see there is no watermark. Use your fingers and leave the watermark on the upper side, because it is there. Okay, listen to the audio until where the audio means that you should change it to the other scene. So you just click there and click on duplicate. If it's an image, you just long use your fingers to prolong it, but because it's a video, you don't want to change the motion, you're supposed to duplicate the video so that you can generate 2 videos like that. You just generate it 2 videos and you listen to it, and it is fine. Guys, remember to give this video a like. Okay, after that, you need now to listen to it and see where you feel it's fine, it's good, so that you can upload our second animated image or video. Just click on it and listen to it, and after hearing it's fine, you just enlarge it with your fingers. Remember to enlarge so that you can do away with the watermark. You can see what I'm doing. Use your 2 fingers, enlarge it until you see it's have the best quality, but there is no watermark in that video. Okay, as you can see, that is what I'm doing. Enlarge it to all the size you want, but remember, you should not lose the meaning of that image or the meaning of that video or clip. Okay, now you just listen to it. You can duplicate and repeat this process more times until you come out with the video. That's it for today. Let's meet in the next video. Just listen to the video I created and give it 10 by 10.
Once in a quiet village at the edge of the forest, there lived a young boy named Juma. His job was to watch over the goats every day. But Juma was bored. One afternoon, he thought of a funny trick. He ran into the village, shouting, "Lion! Lion! A lion is attacking the goats!" The villagers dropped everything, hose, baskets, firewood, and ran to help. But when they arrived, there was no lion. Just Juma, rolling on the ground with laughter. "Got you," he giggled. The elders warned him, "Do not lie about danger, Juma. One day, it will be real." But Juma didn't listen. A few days later, he played the same trick again. The villagers came running, angry this time. "If you lie again," they said, "we will not come." Then one day, as the sun was setting, a real lion appeared. It crept from the trees, eyes glowing, teeth bared. Juma screamed, "Lion! Please help! Lion!" But no one came. The villagers thought he was playing again. The goats scattered, and Juma barely escaped with his life by climbing a thorn tree. From that day, Juma never lied again, and the villagers never forgot the lesson. Let me know.